In a rapidly evolving world, self-directed learning has become a prominent approach. That goes beyond instructional methods, shaping the very nature of learners themselves. Let's explore the key attributes associated with self-directed learners and their significance in the realm of education. Within this context, the significance of independence, autonomy, and self-governance in the learning process cannot be overstated. These qualities are not only supported by government policies and institutional missions, but they also serve as essential goals for learners of all ages. As we explore the world of self-directed learners, we encounter a growing trend toward participatory democracy. This trend recognizes the importance of including those affected by decisions in the decision-making process itself. It does not only involve learning methods, but it encompasses all aspects of education. From identifying needs to designing programs and assessing learning outcomes. Cultural perspectives play a role in shaping the desirability of individualism. While individual achievement is highly valued in some societies, it's important to acknowledge that individualism is not universally embraced. Working-class cultures, for example, often prioritize collective values. Unfortunately, self-directed learning research tends to overlook these experiences and needs of working-class learners. Egalitarianism emerges as a complex concept in adult education and a crucial characteristic of self-directed learners. It involves issues of equity and equality in terms of opportunities, participation, and outcomes. Adults perceive themselves as autonomous individuals capable of making informed choices regarding curriculum and instructional methods. Consequently, there is a belief that teachers should avoid imposing their values and beliefs strictly. Recognizing that adult students may resist learning that they deem irrelevant or unsuitable reinforces the importance of avoiding strict imposition of values. In conclusion, self-directed learners embody a pursuit of democratic participation, display varying degrees of individualism, and prioritize egalitarian principles. Understanding and nurturing these characteristics is essential for fostering an empowering learning environment that promotes lifelong learning. As we embrace these potential characteristics, both educators and learners continue their journey of self-directed learning, paving the way for a brighter future.